friends, it's Danielle with Take Care Mama, and I am so excited to share Young Living's newest kit. It is a bundle for kids called the Little Oilers Kit, and I'm so excited. Now, as I'm filming this mid-September, it's only available to new members. So this is a great way to get a great price on oils for your kids. With that being said, I expect it to be available for the rest of us soon, and I'm totally going to buy one of these. I have all of these oils already, but they are running a little bit low, and this is such a good value to buy it in this kit like this. So, first of all, Norma's right here. It comes with this amazing owl diffuser. We keep this in Norma's nursery, but like I said, I'm gonna buy this bundle and put the second one where James is doing at-home learning. So these oils are great for a baby, Norma's toddler age, up to, you know, kids in elementary school and beyond. Love this diffuser because not only is it a diffuser for your oils, but it also is a night light. It has different settings. You can choose which light, or it can go through all the colors. It goes through the colors in the correct order, Roy G. Biv, which I appreciate. And it also is a sound machine. So we use this when Norma takes a nap or goes to bed. There's the ocean, the rain, birds, you name it. Another reason I really love this diffuser is it's great for travel. It's pretty compact and square. So whenever we travel, we pack a diffuser, and this is the one we bring for those reasons. And yeah, I just put it in a bag and we are good to go. Okay, so this kit comes with that diffuser and 5 oils. The first one we'll talk about is Sleep Eyes. This is so dreamy. So this is a very calming oil. We use this during bedtime when we want to relax. You could use this for at-home learning if your child needs to calm down a little bit. The great thing about all of these oils in the KidSense line is they are pre-diluted, so they can go right on the skin of children 2 or above. What is in Sleep Eyes is lavender, geranium, Roman chamomile, tangerine, and some citrus. It is so dreamy. I've been diffusing this during nighttime with a little bit of cedarwood with it, and it is so good. Okay, next we have Sniffle Ease. So this is great for the sniffles, and again, it's pre-diluted. I use this all the time. Just because they're for kids doesn't mean adults can't use them. So I just put some underneath my nose, and again, you can diffuse as well. The third one, let's see, Tummy Jize. So this is good for upset stomach stuff. You can just roll a little on their abdomen. Now, Norma isn't quite 2 yet, so I would dilute this with a carrier oil further, like some coconut oil, and rub on her abdomen. Again, I use this. The adult version of Tummy Jize is called Jize, and I don't love how that smells, so I will use this instead sometimes. It smells much better. Okay, so this is spearmint, peppermint, tangerine, fennel. It's a very minty oil. Fourthly, we have Genius. Now, this is kind of a newer oil for me. I use this a lot with James when he's learning. I put one on the crown of his head and my head too. And we'll diffuse this in his little classroom we have set up downstairs when he logs on. So this is great for focus and brain health, and it smells real good. We have like a lot of tree oils, Melissa, ooh, Northern Lights Black Spruce is in here, one of my favorites. I've been using Genius almost daily lately. Finally, Owie. So this is good on owies for kids. I use this on James to relieve any discomfort, bug bites, sunburns, scratches, anything like that. And again, it's diluted, so you can put it right on their skin. You can diffuse it too if you like the smell. In here is balsam, Canada, tea tree, which makes sense for the healing properties, Helicerium, tree oils, and ooh, clove. Clove can be kind of numbing sometimes, so that makes sense as well. So you get the diffuser, these 5 oils, it's $130, free shipping. The other thing this gets you is a wholesale membership for life. So if you buy this kit as a new member, you're gonna get a 24% discount if you choose to purchase anything in the future. It's not required, but you can log back in and purchase something else at that 24% discount. The last thing I wanna tell you is if you get this within this month, so within September 2020, they're gonna send you a brand new blend. I haven't even smelled it yet. You can only get this as a new member right now. It is a 15 ml, so a little bit bigger than what I showed you, bottle of a new blend called Kids Power. This has blue tansy in it, which is super expensive and a favorite smell for so many. It's the main ingredient in Valor. If you've ever heard of Valor, people are obsessed with that. So it smells like Valor and kind of like a creamsicle, I'm told. And you can kind of rub it. It's good for calming. And with this pandemic, kids and mamas need calming all day, every day. So I'd love to help you get started on your oily journey. My link is below, but I can also help you with any questions you have. Instagram is the best place to reach me at takecaremama, all one word. And you guys, I've never been more excited about a new product launch. This is truly an amazing bundle, and I'm so excited for when it's available for us current members. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Oh, you know? And take care. Bye. You say bye-bye? Bye. You crazy loud baby. You like your owl, don't you? Yeah. It's nap time. We'll put the owl on.